Welcome to the recording to help you complete the Webmaster Roles assignment in Unit 1. Now if I go up here to Course Home, I'll see here's Week 1. And of course your week may be different because this was recorded, might have been recorded for a different course, but anyway, this is going to show you how to do the Webmaster Roles assignment. That's what this recording is all about. So if I go down here, Webmaster Roles assignment. So here I am in the assignment, and what you're going to do with this one, this is going to be what you will use to start doing some web page work. And what they want you to do is do some research on Google, Dogpile, Yahoo, wherever you want to do research on roles of a webmaster. So I just type in Google roles of a webmaster and see what you come up with. Read at least 2 of the websites that talk about the roles of the webmaster. Then you're going to use Notepad program or text edit program to type up your information. So you don't use Word, you have to use a text editor like Notepad or a program called Text Edit. All your computers have Notepad. Then you write an essay in your own words. Do not copy and paste it. Copy and paste the web addresses. So I'm going to show you how to do all that. And then save it as webmasterrole.txt. So the first thing, let's go do the research first. So I'm going to open up a browser, go to Google, and type roles of a webmaster. So there's lots of different links in here, right? I'll click on this one. So here I am. So I'd read this information and then I would take it and put it in my document. Now some ways to do this. Now as it said, you're going to use a text editor like Notepad, so I'm going to go down to Start, All Programs, Accessories, Notepad. So here I'm in Notepad, and the reason you use Notepad is because you're not going to want any automatic formatting on this. So you'll do it right here in Notepad. So a webmaster has many roles. And then of course I would start typing in what I read about it. Now for these purposes I'm not going to do this. I'm just going to put a bunch of junk in it. You know, maybe I have a couple of different paragraphs, right? So maybe I came up with that information. Now the assignment also said you need to copy the URLs. So what I'll do, here I am on this Webmaster document. So I use some information from this page, let's say. So I'll go up here to the top, I highlight the whole thing, right click, copy, then I go back to my Notepad document, here I am, and I hit Control V to paste, and you see how that goes in there, right? So very easily done. If I go back to the assignment, let's read what it says here. So for this assignment, you're to find at least 2 sites that you find information on, and you're going to put the URL, the web addresses, just like I showed you at the bottom of your paper, then save it as webmasterrole.txt. That's the name of it. So I'm going to go back to it, and I'll do File, Save As, and I want to make sure I save it into my folder. Now yours is going to be different than mine, obviously, because I have a lot more stuff than you. But I have Insight 1314. Now I'm going to put a new folder in there called, actually I need to go into that. And I'm going to do a new folder called Design. So I create a new folder, enter. So I create that folder, now I go into the folder, and the name I'm going to save this as I'm going to save it as, I'll go back and look at this, it says Webmaster Role. Make sure I have the .txt. I did it in small letters, it didn't have all small, but really want to do all small. So webmasterrole.txt, and that's going to be in my web design folder, and I hit save. So I've saved this as Webmaster Role and add .txt at the end of it. Then you make sure all the spelling is correct and everything. So I've done that work. And then it says what you'll do to turn this in is you'll just turn in that TXT file into the Dropbox. So I'm going to exit out of that. So that's a pretty easy assignment to do. And here's how you get graded on it. So that should take you no more than about 10 minutes to do. Making sure that you copy and paste the URLs, you use Notepad, and that you save it with the exact file name. So that's all there is to that assignment. And you submit it. That's a Webmaster Roles assignment. So I'm going to go back to the course home. And that was this assignment right here, Webmaster Roles assignment. Just follow those directions. Okay, thanks for watching. I look forward to your work coming in. And as part of this unit, I'll also create a recording for the portfolio structure assignment. Thank you.